a temperature of 82. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 80 at Wildwood, New Jersey, 80 at Pomona, and 81 at Philadelphia. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 80 at Baltimore, Washington.
For station WXJ94 in Lewis, and especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur
Of the signal normal conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, that will be activated for
weather watches and warnings for the following
New Jersey, Emerald, Yellowstone, and near southeast New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Maine, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic.
warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches.
Listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Here is the official national Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Neck Inlet, New Jersey south to Chico Teague, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards.